I am Dr. N. Satyashila from Rodney College of Engineering and Technology. The course code is 24EC304, Electronic Devices for Industrial Application, Unit 2, Diodes in Power Conversion Systems. The topic we are going to discuss today is full wave rectifier. On completion, the students were able to design full wave rectifier using PN junction diode. Full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier rectifies the full cycle in the waveform. That is, it rectifies both the positive and negative cycle in the waveform. The full wave rectifier has an advantage over the half wave rectifier. That is, it has average output higher than that of half wave rectifier. The number of AC components in the output is less than that of the input. The full wave rectifier can be further divided mainly into following types: center tapped full wave rectifier, full wave bridge rectifier. Center tapped full wave rectifier. The full wave bridge rectifier, which uses 4 diodes arranged as a bridge to convert the input alternating current in both half cycles to direct current. In the case of center tapped full wave rectifier, only 2 diodes are used and are connected to the opposite ends of the center tapped secondary transformer as shown in the given figure. The center tap is usually considered as the ground point or the zero voltage reference point. Working of the full wave rectifier is explained here. As shown in the figure, an AC input is applied to the primary coil of the transformer. This input makes the secondary end P1 and P2 become positive and negative alternatively. For the positive half of the AC signal, the secondary point D1 is positive, ground point will have zero voltage and P2 will be negative. At this instant, diode D1 will be forward biased and diode D2 will be reverse biased. As explained in the theory behind PN junction and characteristics of PN junction diode, the diode D1 will conduct and D2 will not conduct during the positive half cycle. Thus, the current flow will be in the direction P1, D1, C, A, B, ground. Thus, the positive half cycle appears across the load resistance RL. During the negative half cycle, the secondary end P becomes negative and P2 becomes positive. At this instant, the diode D1 will be negative and D2 will be positive, with the zero reference point being the ground. Thus, the diode D2 will be forward biased and D1 will be reverse biased. The diode D2 will conduct and D1 will not conduct during the negative half cycle. The current flow will be in the direction P2, D2, C, A, B and ground. The output waveform is given here. When comparing the current flow in the positive and negative half cycle, we can conclude that the direction of the current flow is the same through load resistance RL. When compared to the half wave rectifier, both the half cycles are used to produce the corresponding output. The frequency of the rectified output voltage is twice the input frequency. The output that is rectified consists of a DC component and a lot of AC component of very small amplitudes. Application of full wave rectifier. Rectifiers are mainly used in power supplies, in almost every electronic devices, used in SMPS, used in all rectification circuits. Thank you.